Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. You are all welcome to another week of our online chemistry class from CTY Model College, Ibadan. My name is Mr. Mustafa O.M., SS1 chemistry teacher. Today we shall discuss another subtopic under carbon and its compound. We shall discuss carbon 2 oxide. Carbon 2 oxide is the IUPAC name of that compound we are talking about, while carbon monoxide is the old name. CO is the chemical formula of carbon 2 oxide. Occurrence of carbon 2 oxide. Carbon 2 oxide, CO, is produced by the incomplete combustion of carbon compounds such as octane found in petrol. It means the incomplete combustion of any carbon compound such as petrol, kerosene, diesel will produce carbon 2 oxide. Carbon 2 oxide occur free in traces as impurity in the atmosphere. The percentage present is higher in the cities where the gas is released in the exhaust fume of a motor car and in the industrial areas due to the combustion of fuels. It means the percentage of production of carbon monoxide or carbon 2 oxide is higher in the cities compared to the other parts of the state. Talking about rural area, the percentage is higher in the city while the percentage of carbon 2 oxide is lower in the rural area, because in the city we use car, there is industry in the city where the petrol or the diesel are used to power the engine of the car, or the petrol or diesel are used to power the engine used in industry. And if there is incomplete combustion of this fuel, it will lead to the production of carbon 2 oxide. Carbon 2 oxide is very poisonous gas. As little of it present in air may cause a person to die. So if someone or anybody inhale carbon 2 oxide, the person will die because the gas is poisonous. Since the gas has no color or odor, its presence is difficult to detect, so it is very, very dangerous. Laboratory preparation of carbon 2 oxide. Carbon 2 oxide is prepared in the laboratory by dehydrating methanoic acid or ethanediol acid using concentrated tetraoxosulfacic acid as dehydrating agent. So when methanoic acid or ethanediol acid is dehydrated in the presence of conc tetraoxosulfacic acid as dehydrating agent, carbon 2 oxide is produced. Here we use methanoic acid HCOOH when undergo dehydration using concentrated H2SO4 as dehydrating agents. That is, water is being removed from methanoic acid. CO is produced, that is carbon 2 oxide. This is the equation of reaction. The preparation of carbon 2 oxide must be done in a fume cupboard as the gas is poisonous. The preparation of carbon 2 oxide in the laboratory must not be done in an open air, because anyone inhale carbon 2 oxide may lead to death, so may die. So now, any time carbon 2 oxide want to prepare in the laboratory, the preparation must be done in a fume cupboard. the physical properties of carbon 2 oxide. 1. Carbon 2 oxide is colorless, odorless, and tasteless gas. Carbon 2 oxide is colorless, odorless, and tasteless gas, but it is poisonous. 2. Carbon 2 oxide is insoluble in water, but dissolved in ammoniacal copper 1 chloride. Carbon 2 oxide do not mix with water, but dissolved in ammoniacal copper 1 chloride. It is slightly less dense than air. So carbon 2 oxide is slightly denser than air. So it is slightly heavier than air. 4. It is neutral to litmus. The neutrality of carbon 2 oxide here does not mean it is not poisonous. It is neutral because it is neither acidic nor basic gas, but it is poisonous gas. Chemical properties of carbon 2 oxide. Carbon 2 oxide is a strong reducing agent. It reduces metallic oxide to metal and itself oxidizes to carbon 2 oxide. Carbon 2 oxide is a strong reducing agent. So when react with oxide of metal, it reduces them to their respective metal, while itself is oxidized to carbon 4 oxide. This is the equation of reaction. CO, carbon 2 oxide, reacts with PbO, lead 2 oxide, to produce lead solid and CO2. Here, CO acts as reducing agent. It reduces lead 2 oxide to ordinary lead, while itself oxidizes to CO2, to carbon 4 oxide. Number 2, carbon 2 oxide burns in oxygen to form CO2. Whenever carbon 2 oxide reacts with oxygen, it produces carbon 4 oxide. 3. Carbon 2 oxide is a poisonous gas. Like I said earlier, it's a poisonous gas. When it's combined with hemoglobin in the red blood cell to form stable compound known as carboxy hemoglobin. CO is a poisonous gas. When CO is inhaled by person, is combined with red blood cell it's combined with hemoglobin in the red blood cell to form a stable compound known as carboxy hemoglobin. Because this stable carbon compound, this stable carboxy hemoglobin prevents hemoglobin from transporting oxygen in our body. Hemoglobin is the cell that is responsible from transporting the oxygen in our body. And when this CO now combine with hemoglobin in the red blood cell, it forms carboxy hemoglobin. And this carboxy hemoglobin will now prevent hemoglobin from transporting oxygen in our body. So a person will die from lack of oxygen when 1/3 of hemoglobin in the body is combined with carbon 4 oxide. As soon as CO reacts with hemoglobin, it turns to carboxy hemoglobin. This carboxy hemoglobin will now prevent hemoglobin from transporting oxygen because it's stable compound. It doesn't move. So a person that inhales this gas will die from lack of oxygen when 1/3 of hemoglobin in that body is combined with carbon 2 oxide. So carbon 2 oxide is dangerous and poisonous gas. Uses of carbon 2 oxide. Carbon 2 oxide is used as reducing agent in the extraction of metals from their ore. Carbon monoxide is employed in metallic or metallurgical industry, especially during the extraction of metal from their ore. Is used as reducing agent in the extraction of metal from their ore. Also, carbon dioxide is the important constituent of producer gas and water gas. A producer gas is a mixture of carbon dioxide and nitrogen gas. No, CO is one of the constituents of producer gas, while water gas is a mixture of carbon dioxide and hydrogen gas. That means carbon dioxide is also another constituent of water gas. So carbon dioxide is the important constituent of producer gas and water gas. We are going to stop here for today. In our next period, we are going to look at another subtopic, which will be the last subtopic under carbon and its compound, thiocarbonate 4. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.